All right, our top story here on 5 Live. Children are dead, a doctor is hospitalized, a banned cough syrup still in circulation, however. So who's really to blame here? A cough syrup meant to treat something as common as a cold is now at the center of a deadly medical scandal, a controversy, possibly a scam. At least 8 children have died in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, linked allegedly to the same cough syrup. Dozens more have fallen ill. All of them had one thing in common. They were given a cough syrup containing dextromethorphan, or also goes by the name of DM, a formula that has already failed 40 quality checks. If that wasn't horrifying enough, a government doctor, trying to prove that the syrup was actually safe, took it himself, fainted instantly, ended up in the hospital. So how did this happen? Now, yesterday also on 5 Live, we told you the details of the story. We also told you how kids under 6 actually don't need cough syrups at all, so stop giving it to them. Ask your pediatricians, they know best. But just yesterday, when we told you that story, we also brought out the details of the manufacturer, Kaysons Pharma, which has already been penalized twice for violating drug safety laws. But what we've uncovered since then is even more disturbing. Despite being flagged, despite failing test after test, this syrup kept making its way into government hospitals. How exactly? Who allowed this and why? When confronted, the company pointed fingers, claiming that the deaths weren't due to contamination at all, but because of overdosing by the doctors. Really? Is that what happened? So now the question is bigger than just one bad batch. The real problem, is it the company? Is it the supplier? Is it the doctors? Or is it the whole broken drug regulation system that's supposed to keep our kids safe, especially in the most remote corners where access to medication and even education on medical care is very, very weak? Now, in this exclusive 5 Live investigation, we go beyond the headlines to uncover the shocking failure at every level, from the lab to the ward to even the policymakers. This isn't just about one syrup, it's about how easily our health system can be compromised. Watch our full report and then decide for yourself who's really responsible.
A medicine that is common consumption for children is now at the center of a controversy that is anything but common. Cough syrups have caused at least 2 child deaths in Rajasthan, 6 in Madhya Pradesh, and have left several more ill. Now, we at India Today have been tracking this shocking case of adulteration in the cough syrup in question, dextromethorphan hydrobromide. We told you that the manufacturing company Kaysons Pharma supplied substandard drugs to government hospitals in Rajasthan. It was also penalized once in 2023 and then in February 2025 for the violations in the Drugs Act.
यहाँ पर हम आए हैं देखने के लिए कोई है या नहीं है, मगर ताला बंद पड़ा हुआ है। 3 दिनों से जब से ये मामला सामने आया है तब से ताला बंद है। पीछे के साइड में एक गार्ड मिला है, अभी जो परसों ही रखा गया है, और इसके अलावा जो पूजा के फूल आए थे यहाँ पर, वो भी गार्ड के रूम के बाहर है। जो गार्ड यहाँ रहता था उसे भी कंपनी ने हटा दिया है। जो दवाइयाँ
Our correspondent has now found out that as many as 40 samples of the controversial cough syrup failed quality tests over the past 2 years. Now, even though the syrup was banned, its continued supply was facilitated through the Rajasthan Medical Services Corporation Limited.
जो बैन हुआ है वो एक दूसरा सोल्ट का आइटम था, और बाकी जो इनका अलग दूसरे जो आरसी थी उसके तहत ये सप्लाई हो रही थी। और जो भी सप्लाई हमारे यहाँ आती है, आने के बाद सभी की एनेबल एक्रेडिटेड लैब से सैंपल टेस्ट का एक प्रोसीजर है, और उस प्रोसीजर से जब उसकी स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी की रिपोर्ट हमको प्राप्त होती है, उसके बाद ही फील्ड में वो दवा रिलीज की जाती है।
When we spoke to the owner of Kaysons Pharma, Virendra Gupta, he said that while his company's cough syrups have been banned, this particular one wasn't. His argument is that the incident occurred due to an overdose by doctors.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम पहली बार ही बना रहे हैं सब 10-12 साल से हम सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, हम क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स कर रहे हैं। ये जो मामला है अभी हम इस बारे में कुछ कह नहीं पा रहे हैं, बाकी ओवरडोज का ही लग रहा है सर हमें भी, क्योंकि जो दवाई है डेक्स्ट्रोमेथोर्फेन, इसका असर जो होता है वो CNS डिप्रेसेंट ही है। ये दिमाग को सुन करके और खांसी को बंद करने का कार्य करता है।
When a government doctor in Rajasthan consumed the syrup to prove that it is not harmful, his condition severely deteriorated and he was admitted to a hospital. The doctor gave the syrup to 2 ambulance workers as well, who also fell ill upon drinking it. The Rajasthan government has now formed a 3-member committee to investigate this worrying issue. And for the foreseeable future, dextromethorphan hydrobromide cough syrups from all companies have been banned. But who is responsible for the deaths and the illnesses amongst children? The manufacturing company, the supplier, the government hospitals, the doctor prescribing the syrup, or the systemic issues in drug procurement and quality control in the country? With Sharat Kumar, Bureau Report, India Today.